back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. Look at that sun. And today's video is, should you buy a used Hellcat? And the answer is really up to you. And as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon for future uploads, like, share, and definitely comment in the vids. So in today's video, I'm driving a used, what I call billet silver Hellcat Charger. It only has 15,000 miles on it. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Has the Alcantara seats. As you can see, it has the sunroof. And then once I do a walk around, I'll let you guys see it. But this one right now, as it sits, is $55,000. Used without any negotiating with the dealership as of yet. Usually with cars, you could negotiate deals with the cars. More so, you could negotiate better deals on new cars over used cars because, you know, the manufacturer really wants to sell cars. But a dealership usually makes a little bit more money on a used car per se. So with a Hellcat, it's really up to you and kind of deciding what you want to pay for. Do your homework on the car for sure. Make sure if it's from a dealership, they have the Carfax and everything like that, because you need to know what you're getting. So not every car that's used, have been used, how would I put it, is a good used deal. Sometimes you have to make sure that the car is in good condition, never was in a wreck before. Also, talking about a Carfax, sometimes a Carfax does not give you the correct information, because say for instance, I wrecked a car and I know what to do and I could fix it myself. I could go ahead and fix the car and never report it to the dealership, so it wouldn't be on a Carfax. So moral of the story is just know what you're getting with a used car, especially like a car like a Hellcat, which is a performance car. So a lot of people mod these cars, and when stuff goes wrong with modding them, they'll trade them in. Not to say that's right, but it do happen. So make sure you know what you're getting, especially with a performance car like a Hellcat. As you can see here, it's the billet silver metallic. It looks really good with the sunlight reflecting off of it. This one has the red Brembo. The thing with this car is, you know, it's had a little bit of mods done to it. It does have some reflector work done, got the little hex design on it. As you can see, it has the Nitto 555s G2 tires on the back in a 305, so they did go with a little bit wider. And it also have the tinted tail lights, and also have the add-on for the splitter. So as we go and walk around it, you always want to look to see if there's any variation in paints. Some paints are harder to match than others if it's been in an accident. I believe I'm not sure if the 16s came with the snorkels, but they put the snorkels on there. They put the little Dodge hash marks. Got the Hellcat logo. The rock chip guards on the front and the rear. So it's not a bad, like looking on the outside so far, it's not a bad car. So just make sure you know what you're looking for. So look for paint deviations. Some paints are harder to match than others. So make sure you know what you're looking for. As you can see, no dealer warranty, but it does have the extra the rest of the factory warranty, because this car does have only 15,000 miles on it. As we're looking in the engine bay, you could see that this car was at least had a different intake in it. They changed it back to the factory, which normal people usually do. So as you can see, it has the leg maker sticker, but it does have the regular intake. Also, you want to check these fender areas right here as well. Sometimes if it was in an accident, these areas is off. You can see body marks, or you can see parts of the fender that's, you know, that comes prime that they didn't prime. So just always look over everything. As I said, this with 15,000 miles. On this one, it only looked like they only did a intake. It still has the factory pulley with the factory seal on the pulley. So you know this pulley was never taken off. Got the belt. Just little things to look at. Nothing else. All the fluids are good. As I said, this car only has 15,000 miles. So it looks pretty clean in here, other than just the dust. So next, of course, sit in the car, look at the interior, check out the panel gaps, gouges, scratches. 15,000 miles, this one still smells like a new Dodge. Dodges, they have a distinctive smell to them. Some car manufacturers have a distinctive smell to their interiors of the car when they're new, because of all the they use the same plastics and the same fabrics, so they're going to come in from the same factory, so they'll have the same smell to them. One reason people will buy the Charger over the Challenger: the 4 doors, you have a family, you have a back seat. This is with me. The seat's fairly back. I'm only 5'7", still got a little bit of room. It's not a spaceship, but it's a powerful performance car, 4-door. Before the Red Eye came out, I believe it was the fastest production 4-door sedan till the Charger Red Eye came out, and has pretty good road trip, car seat, still fast, still fun. You could go out at night on the town with your boys and win a few races. Trunk is immaculate, has the little grocery net, so you can, you know, go and check everything out that you want in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and look in here. The tray's in there. The next thing that I always want to check to make sure is in here is the tire pressure machine, not tire inflator. So that's still in here. The tray is good. Everything's in here. Still, as I say, 15,000 miles. Still smells new, clean. I'm just, you know, you're always curious to why someone would turn the car in this soon. Sometimes you find a better deal. So in all, the Dodge Charger Hellcat is a really fun performance family sedan. That don't even seem like it should go together, but it does. This one at Step 1 Automotive Group here in Fort Walton Beach. Chrysler, Fiat, Dodge, Ram, Jeep, don't forget Jeep. They have this one here. I said it's used. They have 2 used Hellcats. If you're in the market for used Hellcats, now may be the time. A lot of people are upgrading to the Red Eye, so that's another reason that they would get rid of this Hellcat so soon. Also, with the wide body, this is a narrow body. The wide body looked great. I like narrow bodies as well, and this is a narrow body. I say, all in all, this is a beautiful car, used car. Check them out. Their info will be in the description below. And you cannot beat this car, literally and figuratively. Just kidding. But it is a great, fun car. Just wait till you drive it. You'll have smiles galore. So here we are in the heart of the beast. 707 fun horsepower, fun, supercharged. Can't beat it. And as I said, you got all this power, got the family in the back. Just don't have your kids do what they did to me. We were on the strip. A Camaro pulled up next to me. It's like, Dad, you gotta gun it. I gunned it for the Camaro, dusted them off, told them don't tell their parents, don't tell my wife. They go in the house, they couldn't wait. Dad raced and beat a Camaro. So you know how that goes. But all in all, look at this beast. Ooh, look at this beast. I cannot get enough of it. And that whine. Once you change that intake to this that leg maker intake, that's one of the main reasons I changed the intake, is just for the whine that it gives. But you just still can't beat this very, very well built American supercar. Charger Hellcat. This is 2016. I believe it's 55K. Step 1 Automotive Group. Go check them out. And I say, guys, as usual, if this is your very first time or not your first time checking out the video, I'd really love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below. I get you guys more content like this along with the racing once racing season start back up. I think they want to go. You want to go? I don't think they want to go. But definitely, thanks for checking out the videos again. As I said, subscribe, like, definitely share. And on to the next video, guys. Peace.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen. She lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder. She wrote it. Still up with courage. You're doing a service. Pull up to the crib. I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low with no love goes. Women buddy like a